Make a great choice today with the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.